long heavy Judy mount that I brought from Amazon. I'm going to show you the link. Can you show that? So the yeah. Oh, hi, yeah. Heavy Judy. Okay. Hello. Okay, let's have a look at what we've got so far. Attached on this light stand, we've got the light here. Okay. Okay, let's have a look what we've got so far on this light stand. We've got the Amron 60DS light load and the lantern, the fob lamp attach, and this really, really long pole. Okay. First one is that multi super clamp there. Touch there, sturdy. I'm just waiting for another long clamp to get delivered from AliExpress. Down the bottom here, I've got the small reek. Another one of the clips. I may be mounting a monitor on this.
And
So the down below, the second super glue, which I already have that long arm here, which I brought from AliExpress, and a screw mount here. And the final one that I've got installed is a newer, the V mount battery. That's where I'm going to place it, right down my bottom.